I am Chris Davis, and this is the PAS Classroom. Today, we are going to look at ways to explore our dynamics utilizing our voice levels. If we begin at 9 inches or mezzo forte, we say that that is our speaking voice. If we go above that to 12 inches or forte, we're going to say that that is either our teaching voice or talking to someone across the room. 15 inches will be outside yelling at somebody to get their attention. This is our fortissimo level. Going below our natural speaking voice, 6 inches is going to be utilizing our vocal cords but speaking to someone directly next to us underneath of something else going on in the room. And then 3 inches will be our whisper. This will be using our air versus our vocal cords. If we go to the extremes, if we go above 15 inches, we utilize more arm. This will be like screaming, overuse of our vocal cords, whether it's at a concert or at a sporting event. Down at the low end, we'll be utilizing our lips and just having somebody next to us try to read our lips. That is playing super quiet so that they actually have to lean and try to interpret what we're saying or what we are playing. One good way to practice this is take a very simple snare drum etude that has a varying dynamic range and actually sing it utilizing these different levels of your voice, and then apply it to your playing. That is today's lesson in the PAS classroom.